In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eBay comps to determine the value of trading cards. If you've ever wondered how collectors and sellers figure out the market price for a specific card, this is the method you're looking for. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. This will give you access to all the essential functionalities required for carrying out a proper search and analysis. Once you're in, it's time to initiate a search using specific keywords. For instance, you might search for something like 2020 Prism Joe Burrow, rookie number 307 PSA 10. You want to make sure you include the set name, year, player, card number, and any grading info if it's available. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. After you input your search details, scroll down to the left-hand filter menu. Here, you'll want to check the boxes for both sold items and completed items. This is crucial as it ensures you're only seeing listings for items that have actually sold, not just what people are asking for currently. The difference here is significant. Sold items reflect what buyers are truly willing to pay. Now, you have a refined list of comparable sales, also known as comps. To evaluate these comps adequately, you'll need to consider several factors. First, pay attention to the sale date. It's best to use comps from the last 30 to 60 days to ensure you're working with the most current data. Next, examine the condition of the card, whether it's raw or graded, such as PSA 9 or PSA 10. This will impact the card's value significantly. Another key aspect is to note whether the card was sold via auction or buy it now. Auctions sometimes result in lower final prices due to bids, whereas buy it now can give you a clearer picture of a seller's asking price. Don't forget to look for any extras the card might have, like an autograph, parallels, or any numbering such as 25 or 99, as these can elevate the card's market value. Once you have gathered all this information, it's time to calculate the average value. Find 3 to 5 recent comps of the same or a very similar card and average their prices. For example, if you have a PSA 10 card that sold for $120, buy it now, another for $110 auction, and a third for $130, buy it now, you can estimate the card's value to be around $120. Before we wrap up, here are some pro tips. You can utilize eBay's TerraPeek, which is free on the eBay Seller Hub, to access up to a year's worth of sales data, providing even more context for your evaluations. Apps like 130point.com, Card Ladder, or Market Movers can also be very helpful in showing eBay comps. With this process, you'll be well equipped to accurately value cards using eBay comps. Happy collecting, and remember, practice makes perfect.